We are happy to help you build the most successful application possible. The following are some suggestions on how to do just that.
We look for students that have something we call the A factor. This includes students who have the attitude, aptitude, and aspiration to be successful in our programs.
Attitude is demonstrating work ethic. It's the ability to work well in teams in order to be successful academically in the program, as well as demonstrating your personality and how you've been able to thrive through failure.
Aptitude is the background information that you'll bring to your MBA application. That is your GMAT score, your GPA, your resume, all the things that you have done in your career to bring you to this point.
Aspiration is your goal and dream for your future. We want to make sure that our MBA program is the right tool to help you accomplish those goals personally and professionally.
An important part of your MBA application is a strong essay. The best way to build that is to have others read it, get some feedback, make sure you're showcasing your personality and yourself, and always check for grammatical errors.
When it comes to your letters of recommendation, it's important to select people who know you very well, both personally and professionally. This tends to create the best content in your letters.
Applying to business school is a big decision. Applying early allows you to connect with admissions professionals, build a competitive application, and get your answer as early as you can so you can adjust your life around your new MBA journey. After you've completed and submitted your application, our admissions team will review all of your materials. If you're selected to move forward, we'll reach out to set up an interview.
It's our goal to provide a personalized MBA application process for you. We would love to hear from you and connect with you at any time. Please feel free to reach out.